Do you like all the worms that are coming out? I like your little poof. Very cute. And there is, of course, Mr. Cucumber. He's not sure exactly why am I finding worms for them, but you look airbrushed. Very pretty. Ooh, and you look like an evening dress. Very pretty. You also look sort of like out to the opera with the little poof and your airbrush look. Very Kardashian. All the contouring. Very pretty. Yes, Cucumber. And this is the other rooster. Spectacular. Yes, Cucumber. Just don't attack me.